Manje sesima-physical properties. Question 3. The relationship between the strength of intermolecular forces and boiling point is investigated using four organic compounds. The compounds and their boiling points are given in the table below. We have a butane with -1 degrees Celsius, a 2-methyl butane with 27.7 degrees Celsius, and pentane with 36.1 degrees Celsius, and 2-methyl propanol with 82 degrees Celsius. Now, let's write down the definition of the term boiling point. Writing boiling point, the temperature at which the vapor pressure of a substance equals atmospheric pressure. Now, which substance will be a liquid at 50 degrees Celsius? So, eyiphi-ke i-substance la izoba liquid at 50 degrees Celsius? So, ubheka le substance ezoba ne-boiling point enkulu kuno-50 lapha kwithebula. So, u-out, kusala bani one-boiling point greater than 50, u-2-methyl propanol. So, 2-methyl propanol is our answer for 3.2. Now, bathi-ke, name the type of intermolecular forces found between butane molecules. Between butane molecules, we have London forces. So, nansi indaba. Sathi sinama-hydrocarbon, alkane, and alkyne. Mase siyikhumbuza sathi kulaba bobathathu ama-London forces. Sasisithi sine-haloalkane, not carboxylic acid, sine-aldehyde, sine-ketone, sine-ester. Lava, we have dipole forces. Sasisithi ne-carboxylic acid. Sasisithi sine-alcohol. So, kulaba sinama-hydrogen bonds. So, indaba ithi ikahle kahle ama-London forces atholakala kubo bonke. So, ama-London forces ukusukela lapha kwi-alkane uze uyofika laphaya bonke banawo ama-London forces. Kodwa ukuze sikwazi ukuyihlukanisa kahle sivele nje sithi hhayi ilaba esizothatha ngokuthi banama-London forces because laba banama-London forces kuphela. So, ama-dipole forces naba banama-dipole forces sebebonke yibo bonke la. Labana into abangenayo ama-dipole forces nama-hydrogen bond. Laba banakho kokubili banama-dipole nama-London forces. Laba-ke bakuphethe ngokuthathu laba. Baphethe ama-dipole forces, baphethe ama-London forces bese kuba yini? Ama-hydrogen bond. So, kodwa ukuze sikwazi ukuhlukanisa kahle noma sibhala, sithi hhayi, labana bangama-hydrocarbon banama-London forces, laba banani banama-dipole forces, laba banani banama-hydrogen bonds. Now, kuthiwa-ke laphayana-ke, refer to the strength of the intermolecular forces, the type of intermolecular forces or the structure of the molecules, and the energy in order to explain the difference between the boiling points of the following substances. Now, basitshena ukuthi asinake ini laphana uma ngabe si-explain. So ku 3.4.1 bathe asinakeni i-structure okokuqala. Okwesibili, okay, nje ngizakhela i-space laphaya. 3.4.1 bathe asikhulume nge-structure. Okwesibili bathi asikhulume ngani nge-strength, bese sikhuluma ngani nge-energy. So masikhuluma nge-structure sibuka le two, sibuka u-pentane, sibuka nobani no-2-methyl butane. Mhlawumbe ake sinibukeke u-pentane, mhlawumbe sidroshe i-structure sakhona 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So that is pentane, guys. Bese kuba u-2-methyl butane. Ngizozama nje ukumdrosha la eceleni. So 1 2 3 but 2-methyl. So mawumbheka lo lo spherical lo umbheka ukhanda into engathi u-round, kodwa uma ubheka lo qondile ukhava a large surface area. Lo ukhava i-surface area encane, lo ukhava i-surface area njengoba evulekile nje, ukhava ini i-surface area enjani enkulu. So pentane lo. So uzothini-ke noma usuchaza laphaya, uzosho ukuthi both pentane and sichaze kanjalo nje kwamanje sithi both pentane and 2-methyl butane have London forces, but pentane has large surface area than 2-methyl butane. Kodwa kahle kahle okubalulekile kakhulu yilokhu, nakho okubalulekile la independent variable yilokhu okushintshayo, yini eshintshayo? Surface area. Nakho okubalulekile ngoba siyabona vele ukuthi bobabili babelonga to ini, banani, banama-London forces. Now number 2 sesizokhuluma ngani nge-strength. Sokhuluma nge-strength manje. Number 2, ubani one-stronger strength of intermolecular forces? Yilo one-larger surface area. Ngenye indlela omunye ubengabhala laphaya, ubengathi omunye 2-methyl butane is more spherical than pentane. So lo more spherical has less strength of has weaker strength of intermolecular forces. Uweak lo o-more spherical. Ungayi ngokuthi uthe more usucabanga ukuthi usezoba strong, cha. Lo more spherical weak, lo o less spherical strong. noma ubungabhala laphana ukuthi pentane is a straight chain while eh 2-methyl butane is branched. Nakhona lapho uzothola amamaki nje iphelele ku-bullet number 1. Now ku-bullet number 2 usuyasho usuya-compare uyaqhathanisa. Siyasho ukuthi pentane has stronger strength of intermolecular forces uh, than 2-methyl butane. So manje sesikhuluma nge-energy-ke, sesizothini nge-energy. Lo one-stronger strength phela nguye lo odinga i-energy eningi. So more energy is needed to overcome intermolecular forces pentane for pentane than 2-methyl butane. So lona stronger strength uzodinga more energy to overcome those intermolecular forces. Now sesimphendulile u-3.4.2 asike 3.4.1 sesingaka ku-3.4.2. So ngiyasula la ngithenga space. So sebeqhathanisa bani manje? Fanele kubuka ukuthi yini eshintshayo ngalama-structure asuke bewaqhathanisa, yini le eshintshayo ngawo umehluko. Ke sibuke u-propane to all. 1, 2, 3 OH propane to all 2-methyl. So sinento nje kahle kahle. Bangakubuza njalo la ukuthi is this a primary, secondary or tertiary alcohol? This is a tertiary alcohol. Why ngisho njalo? Ubuke la. Ngathi nje ngivele ngiyenze kanje. Ngiyisule nase ngifuna ukufundisa okunye. Ngizama ukuphendula okunye futhi but it's okay. Sisebenzise omunye umbala sino-C la, sino-OH. Mawubuka lo blue, ucarbon lo blue uponde ku-carbon abangaka u-carbon no blue. Uponde ku-carbon abawu-3 ababomvu. So u-COH i-functional group. So usho ukuthi ngamanye amagama i-functional group yethu iponde ku-carbon abawu-3. So lokho kwenza ukuthi le alcohol ibe i-tertiary alcohol. Uzothini isizathu? The functional group is bonded to 3 carbon atoms. Okay. Now siyayibona-ke leyo ndaba leyo. Siye ku-pentane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentane alkane. Futhi kahle kahle ngamanye amagama baqhathanisa i-alkane ne-alcohol. Usuyabuka-ke njalo. So bathathe loya alkane bayomqhathanisa nani ne-alcohol. Bathi-ke yingani kukhona umehluko kwi-boiling point. Angithi siyabona nje okokuqala sikhuluma nge-structure ukuthi alkane phela unama-London forces, alcohol unama-hydrogen bond. Into yokuqala lo ukhuluma ngayo. Awukhulumi ngokuthi unakhuzana upentane ine-boiling point encane siyakubona lokho kwithebula, siyakubona. So laphana ku-3.4.2 okokuqala nje uzokhuluma ngobani? Nge-structure. Uyasho ukuthi pentane has London forces, while 2-methyl propane 2-ol has hydrogen bonds of hydrogen bonding. So sesikhulumile ngo-S wokuqala. Sifuna lento in point form. Ungayixubi nje. So sikhuluma ngo-S wesibili. S wesibili sesizoqhathanisa sesizokhuluma nge-strength. Uyazi ukuthi ama-hydrogen bonds are stronger kunani nama-London forces. Uyakwazi lokho. So sizosho ukuthi 2-methyl propane 2-ol has or have stronger intermolecular forces than pentane. Now, sizokhuluma nge-energy ekugcineni. Ukhuluma nge-energy. Lo o-strong uyodinga more energy. So, usuyasho ukuthi 2-methyl propane 2-ol need more energy to overcome intermolecular forces. To overcome intermolecular forces than bani than pentane. So lama makaphelele into etotal nje la kusiyo nje into yokushiwa nje lento le. Now bathi-ke which substance will have the lowest vapor pressure at 50 degrees? Khumbula yona unobani? No BM, no V. So BM i-boiling point ne-melting point. The higher the boiling point, the higher the melting point, the lower the vapor pressure. So ubani ozoba ne-lower vapor pressure laphaya ilo ne-highest boiling point. Ubani one-highest boiling point? U-2-methyl propane 2-ol. So again, answer laphana ubani? U-2-methyl propane 2-ol. Nguye ozoba ne-lowest vapor pressure because une-highest boiling point. Ilapho ongathola khona leli mali lokuthi ukhulume nge-boiling point. Ngabe sebekubuza what reason? Sasho because there's a higher boiling point. Hhayi ukuthi kuthiwa 3 marks chaza wena usugijimela ukusitshela ukuthi lo ne-boiling point enkulu lo nencane. Hhayi kahle mfowethu. Phola nje. So naphayana-ke bathi a sample of C4H10 of mass 26 grams burns in excess oxygen. So 34 grams of carbon dioxide forms. The balance equation for the reaction is given below. So mina ngithande ukuthi ngithanda ukuthi ngisebenzise equation ukubhala the information engiyinikeziwe. So for lona nginikezwe u-26 grams. So for carbon dioxide nginikezwe bani? U-34 grams. Ukhumbule u-26 grams une-mass e-impure ne-mass enjani e-pure. So be careful ngo-26 grams. Akufanele umsebenzise ekugcineni. So calculate the percentage nge-mass. Okay, why ngithi une-mass pure? Ngoba sikakhuluma nge-mass nge-percentage purity. Okay, but lo somsebenzisa ekugcineni asizumsebenzisa. So sizocalculate i-molar mass ka-CO, CO2. Ngiyethemba lokuthi u-carbon u-12, u-oxygen ubani u-16 times 2. Lokhu kuzosinikeza bani? 12 plus 16 times 2 kuzosinikeza u-44 grams per mole. Bese sikalkulate ama-number of moles ka-carbon dioxide. Mass over molar mass. Mass ubani? 34. Molar mass ubani? 44. So 34 divided by an answer. So ubani? 0,7727 mole. Now, nge-stoichiometry, usuthi-ke, suthi C4H10 is to bani? To CO2. Suthi 2 is to H. Suthi 0,7727 is to bani? Is to X. Because multiply, so no 8X. We no 2 into 0,7727. Then we divide by 8 on both sides. Uzoskiphela bani lokhu? Uzoskiphela 0,19331 mole. Now, sesinama-number of moles walo, sesinga-calculate imolar mass yakhe. C4H10. Angabe umsebenzisa leya tool wena. Cha, simsebenzisa kwi-stoichiometry, hhayi kwi-molar mass. Sino-12 times 4 plus 1 times 10. 12 times 4 plus 10. So this one is 58 grams per mole. So calculate mass yakhona. Number of moles equal to mass over molar mass. Number of moles 0,1931. Mass isifuna yona 58. So i-mass yalo ka-C4H10 izoba ubani? Izoba 11,1998 grams. Now, sesifuna uku-calculate the percent by mass. Okay, percent by mass is equal to mass encane 11,1998 over bani? Over 26 times 100. Percentage by mass bani? 43,08%. Siyacela ningakhohlwa uku-subscribe, niphinde ni-like. Siyabonga ithuba.